Today, I want to show you a powerful new software tool that is unlike anything I have ever seen before.
Hello and welcome to the OmniMint walkthrough. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can, within just a few clicks, launch your own mobile apps and SaaS applications really quickly so you can go out there, sell them, and make money. When you log in, you will see an onboarding, so I advise you to go through that. But I'm going to show you how you can very quickly start making your own PWA means progressive web app, which means you can take the same thing and publish it on Android, Apple, desktop, and SaaS applications. So let's go ahead and create a new PWA app. So once you've completed this onboarding, you pick one of the options, one of the templates that is over here. So I'm going to go ahead and pick, in this case, this template. Once you do that, you then have the option to go to the next step and then upload your own logo, as well as favicon and other details. So I'm going to pick one quickly from my computer. Okay, so I have a local AI logo in place. I'm going to skip favicon for now, but I'm going to call this one local AI. Okay, this is done. Once you're happy with it, save and continue. Then you can add a few modules into this. So with the main access, you'll have access to 1,000 modules. Right now you see a few more, but all you have to do is pick the modules that you want. So if I'm going to target local, for example, I can pick things like these. So I've now added 10 modules with which I can create my own application. So this is called Local AI. I'm going to go ahead and wait for it to finish publishing. Okay, so the app is now ready. Let's go ahead and look at it. This is the preview mode, and you can see all the different modules that are available on the left, and this is now ready for anyone to use. You can choose to give people a set number of credits based on how much they pay to you, or you can even give away access for free and let them then buy credits inside the app. And they can do that right over here based on the prices that you choose and the number of credits you want to give away. And all of that is easy to set up here. So let's go ahead first and set up your API key. You're going to set up your FAL API key, which you can get from fal.ai. This is just like OpenAI, but instead of only restricting you to OpenAI, FAL gives you access to many different models. And all you have to do is pay them instead of paying OpenAI, and you can continue to use the key to build out your own application. Once your API key is in place, you can then go ahead and add payment integration. Right now, we have integration with Stripe and PayPal, and you can very easily come in and connect those so you can start taking payments in either Stripe or PayPal account. Once the sales start coming in, you will see all the sales volume here, as well as additional details about how your apps are performing. It's very easy to set up multiple price points, either for a one-time price or recurring price. It's entirely up to you. The software is built so that if someone buys from you, they will instantly get access, and if they refund or cancel, they will lose access. So you don't have to worry about manually managing any of the customers yourself. You can use OmniMint to build multiple software applications of your own as you want, and once those are done, you can publish them across multiple places. Plus, once you integrate your API key as well, you can instantly generate privacy policy and terms and conditions, and you can customize them as you want as well. Once your application is ready, you can upload screenshots as well as publish it to your own domain, as well as on both Android and Apple. If you need anything else at all, we have a lot of training available in the Academy area. Plus, you can reach out to us for any support questions. OmniMint will make it easy for you to create your own AI-based business within minutes and start selling access to it to people for any price that you want.
Click the link in the description to see Brett's special bonuses.